You rolling? Yes. Right, today we are going to be washing the car. You know, it's a nice day. I woke up, looked outside, I was like, damn, yo, that's a mighty fine car. Hey, show. What the fuck is that? Who are you pesky birds? Who are you little shits? So, it's in a dire need of a wash. You see? But I'm just gonna soak this because if you remember, this has already been waxed and cleaned and everything. Well, you'll see. But look at the roof. Damn, boy! Dust on that. So, how I wash my cars? This is how we do it. I've got my 2-bucket method. That's your shampoo using simplewax SUDS, and just got normal water in this one. And now I'm gonna rinse this car off, and hopefully half of that comes off with it. Hopefully. What do you think? Oh damn, boy. So right now, I'm gonna wash it. That was a hot day today, so this side I'll have to watch more frequently, because the sun is gonna dry this side and it's gonna leave watermarks. So you have to keep a watchful eye, you see? Have to keep a watchful eye. Get off the wall. So right now I'm just wetting the car, and then I'm going to use some shampoo as like a pre-wash. I've never used that shampoo before, but I'll show you in a minute. In just a second, I shall show you. Oh damn, boy! Come. Oh damn, boy. Hopefully the camera picks this up. A bit dark on this side. Whoa, the overspray. Be careful of the wind. Now, we are all wet. I've never used this before. I don't even know what it is. It's just been there, sitting there, waiting to be used. I'm just gonna jet wash that half of the truck. What's that noise? So I'm gonna need put it here and we'll get back to you. Okay. So this is how mine's designed anyway. It's got like a little, I don't know what that is, test tube thing here. And then you gotta pour, I don't know, this is probably some trash shampoo here. Damn, boy. I don't even think it's not even shampoo, that. It's like water. Going on. big, you know? Not that good, but alright. So this is like a, oh my god, be careful of that water. This is like a pre-wash type thing. I'm doing this side first, so this side dries because it's in the shade. Smart tactics because I'm a genius. So the point of this is going to remove half of the dirt, so I don't have to make physical contact with. Yo, is that little droplets on it? I hope not. Oh, damn, boy! Boom, 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 boom. Let's move, let's move. Also, that open. So now, doing that is feed the plants. I don't need that. I don't need this. And so now I need to clean out the system. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Because it's still got some shampoo in there, you see. Put it in there. Oh, there she go, baby. There she go. So we don't need that no more. So now this is taking most of the dirt off. Here's our postman. Postman's coming. Alright, cut it here. Wait till the postman goes. Yeah. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Quick, 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 quick. Look, 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 look. It's drying, drying. We have to act quick. Oh, damn. Look at it. Look at the dirt. Get off that damn car, boy. I have to constantly wet this side because it'll dry quick because of this sun. Can you see the rainbow? Watch this. Are they coming up?
It's when you do it on that side.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, damn, boy. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that dirt, boy. That dirt. Alright, come to that side. Come on. Oh, damn. Boy, tell you what, how's it looking? What do you think so far? I'm not gonna wash the wheels. See, at this stage I would fallout remove all this, but these I don't really care that much because they are fake replicas. Oh damn, I need a thumbnail as well. What do you think? Now is the stage of the physical contact. Come on guys, come on, follow me. Right. See this side, it's already dry in there, man. We gotta act quick. Gotta act quick. Act quick, boy. Right, what are we doing? What we gonna do? We gotta dip it. Dip it in. Dip it in. Oh damn, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That's got a bit of petrol in there and shit. So one sec. Can you do that now? Sure, that's nice and juicy. Leave that one. Oh, dunk it back in there. Did you see that? Did you see it? I was supposed to do it the other way around. What's going on? What's going on? Man, this side's already drying up, boy. Look at this. Whoa. 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 But you get the main point what I'm trying to come across. Oh man, I'm gonna need your help on this one. Hey bro, are you paying attention? That means you gotta help me. Look at it, it's already dry, man. I can't work around this whole car by myself. Alright, we'll cut it here. Yeah, we'll cut it here. And then we'll get back to you people when I'm on that side fighting the... I don't know what I'm fighting, but I'm fighting something. Yo, just stay with me, lad. So now it's all wet, dry. All you want to do is get your microfiber cloth and just give that a good old eat. Damn boy, look at it, you see. Look at it, can you see it? Already done it, already half done. You see it all, it's magic. Just takes it all off. How's it looking, lad? He's looking old. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. That is pretty much dry now, isn't it? Now what do? Now we would have, is it looking alright on the camera? Mm-hmm. Alright, now we would have waxed it, but now I'm going to end this video, and then in the next video, which is going to be the same day, I'm going to be continuing the machine polishing part 2. Was that good, Abraham? Was that good on there? Yes, that was very good. Yes, and these are school children now. So this is where I'm going to end this video. Hope you enjoyed. I don't think you learned anything because I do everything wrong anyway. So see you in the next one.